So hello gentlemen and welcome back, and this is Glen again, and please like and share this video with all you want to share with. And for now, what you're gonna be looking at is the red folder. The red folder is mainly the resource folder where you store any resources you have. Maybe you want to store images, text file, SVGs, or make even your own SVGs and store them in there, or any shapes, and it allows you to do that. So what we need to check out is the drawable. The drawable, that is the place you store any drawables. Maybe you have images and stuff. We have been talking about SVGs, layout of your own creation, and then shapes, not layouts. And then we have the layout here. The layout is going to be the resource that provides the user interface. So it's going to be like an UX for the user. That's where you build your UX. Your UX files are stored right there. So as you can see within our program, you say this main activity. You see here what's written activity main. So this is the activity main. So when the content view is loaded, it will first load up that layout files, and we'll be able to present our layout to the user. And of course, underneath that, we have the map folder. The map folder is mainly for the launcher icons. Those you see when you are launching an icon. For instance, you see an Instagram application. Before you can enter within and click within an Instagram application, you can see there is a small icon that is there. This is where you configure it. Those are maps here. And finally, there are values. These values, listen to me, I'm going to be dealing with these more often. Values, in the values folder, we're going to be structuring things like the colors, the strings, and the theme we're going to be using in our program entirely. But now, if you see, there's going to be a very built-in thing that's going to be presented to you, already done by you, by the Android Studio, for you to have it through. And so you're just going to be able to edit this folder, this file, and be able to put your own configurations, your feel, your taste, and everything. And the strings as well, what strings we have in our application. And as you can see, our app name here is Android fundamentals. So our program, when it runs, it's going to capture that string and read that Android fundamentals on the top bar of your application. But now, yes, we'll talk about this more in the next tutorial. And as you can see, these are the colors that will be automatically loaded within your application depending on the Android Studio version. But for me, this is what I have, and you can as well change it to any other color you want. But to me, I kind of like these ones. They're my favorite already. It's like Android Studio know my taste, so we're gonna move on with this. But of course, you can change and make your own implementations. So in our next tutorial, we're gonna dive in, and we're gonna start off with the layouts, creation of layouts, what you need to know about layouts, and we'll dive deep and go on further. I'll see you in the next tutorial.